So we're back on a job in Hampshire, just continuing on with this large dormer. In the previous video from this job, I installed the apron flashing all the way through the bottom there, and the window trays as well. Also the cover flashing up the sides for the cheeks. Once that was done, this has now been felted, counter battened and plied using marine ply. That's to create an air gap so the air can come up from the bottom there, travel all the way up and out the top. And this is going to be vented fascia and soffit through there as well. I've already cladded the cheeks. So what we're going to be doing in today's video is start coming through this front section. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm just going to go over it just to make sure none of these screws are proud and there's no staples sticking out, things like that. Then I'm going to fix a copper fixing strip 25mm lower than this ply. That's going to give me a nice neat folded edge. Get some grade A building paper on there and start setting out all my welts. Okay, that's the copper fixing strip in place now. I've also now put on the grade A building paper and set out all my welts as well. When I'm setting this out, I always start off with the panels that are going to turn into the window reveals. Because these panels are massively restricted movement wise, because they're going to be fixed at the top there and also fixed down this inside edge. So I make these panels relatively small. So what I've done, from when it turns in there, I've come 130mm to the centre of the welt on all of the window reveals. And that works out really well with 300 wide lead. Then for example, for this section through here, I've taken the measurement from the centre of that welt to the centre of that welt, and I've just divided that equally into 3 panels. Same principle for this as well. And the bits across the top of the windows there, just taking the measurement from the centre of the welt there to the centre of the welt there, divided that equally as well. So I've managed to keep the centres relatively close, probably sort of like 20mm in it, and considering everything is different measurements, like the window openings are different, so I've managed to keep that quite similar. So now everything's set out, let's start and get some lead on there. Okay, I'm just starting to come through with this cladding now. Just coming along the top of this second window. So let's get the next bit knocked up. Okay, we need a piece of lead at 580 by 290. to lightly scribe 25mm for the welt. 25mm to welt into the soffit lining. £4.90. Okay, that is now ready to be fitted. Okay, now that one's in, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get that next one in there, then I can welt that up, just start coming through, repeating that process. That's the last of the panels on there now. I've also now given all this leadwork another coat of patination oil, so that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at slbleadworks. For inquiries you can email slbleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.